The year is 2026. The Ballon d'Or ceremony is approaching, and football fans around the globe are already arguing. Who deserves it? Who scored more? Who carried their team? But this time, the answer isn't coming from biased journalists or FIFA politics. It's coming from AI. We trained a simulation model on over 2 decades of Ballon d'Or trends, combined with real-time projections from the 2025 to 26 season. It measured goals, assists, key passes, trophies won, and, of course, international tournament impact. It even simulated injuries, match impact scores, and something called a narrative index. In other words, how likely the public is to believe you deserve it. The result? A prediction so accurate, it already feels like prophecy. Let's begin with the criteria. The AI considers 12 key data points. First, individual stats. Goals, assists, XG, XA, dribbles completed, duels won, and match-winning actions. Then, club success. Domestic leagues, Champions League progress, Super Cups, and National Cups. International tournaments matter more than ever in 2026. Euro performance, Copa America influence, and, of course, World Cup domination. The AI also factors injuries, media buzz, fan sentiment, and even how often your name trends online. Every simulation runs season timelines from July 2025 to August 2026, building a player's score based on performance and narrative momentum. Now, let's talk about the top contenders. Kylian Mbappé ranks first across 10 out of 12 simulations. If Real Madrid win La Liga and France reach the semifinals or better, he leads almost every category. Minutes played, goals per 90, tournament impact, fan engagement. His 2026 World Cup run will define the vote. Second, Jude Bellingham. He's Real Madrid's midfield engine and England's golden hope. If he leads the Three Lions to a final and Real Madrid win the Champions League, the narrative could shift in his favor. The AI sees him as Mbappe's main threat, especially if Bellingham scores in big moments. Third, Erling Haaland. His numbers are insane, but Norway's absence from the World Cup heavily reduces his odds. Even with 60 goals, without a major tournament presence, the AI drops his momentum score significantly. Fourth, Vinícius Júnior. Brazil is hungry for redemption. If they win the 2026 World Cup and Vinícius shines, the simulation places him above everyone. He has the speed, stats, and visibility. But he needs the trophy. Others in contention include Phil Foden, Musiala, Rodrygo, and even Lionel Messi. Yes, if Argentina reaches the semis and Messi scores a goal of the tournament, the AI gives him a 5% wild card chance. Now, let's simulate the 2025 to 26 timeline. August 2025. Haaland scores 5 in his first 3 matches. Real Madrid open strong. Mbappé, Bellingham, and Vinícius dominate La Liga. December 2025. Champions League group stages end. City and Madrid go undefeated. PSG collapses. Musiala's Bayern underperforms. Then June 2026. The World Cup begins. France cruises through the group stage. Brazil destroys early opponents. England grinds results. Quarterfinals. Argentina falls to Brazil. Germany loses to France. Semis. Brazil defeats France. England beats Portugal. Final. Brazil versus England. Vinícius Júnior scores 1 and assists 1. Brazil wins. The world explodes. August 2026. Ballon d'Or nominees are announced. The AI compiles final season scores. Mbappé leads with 89. Vinícius follows with 87. Bellingham at 84. Haaland drops to 77. Messi finishes with 72. Conclusion: if Brazil wins the World Cup and Vinícius performs, he takes it. But if Real Madrid dominates Europe and France reaches the semifinals, Mbappé wins the 2026 Ballon d'Or. AI doesn't vote. It calculates. And this time, it chooses Mbappé. Disagree? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you're betting on the season, use AI to your advantage. Click the Trust Dice link in the description. This was the AI simulation for the 2026 Ballon d'Or. Thanks for watching.